primarily works in outpatient settings. I treat a lot of neuro. If you're ever in situations where you have somebody come in after a stroke, paretic limb, very flaccid, low tone, you're just kind of struggling with what to do, I'm going to show you a couple of products from Saebo that have really been life-saving for me. One of them is the Saebo Glove that I'm currently wearing. This is great for low tone or even mild tone, depending on how you set it up. You can see there's little rubber bands on the back and on the thumb that can help hold the hand open, but providing little enough resistance that you can fairly easily kind of flex through it. If you've been around Saebo for a while, I've heard of it, you might have seen the Saebo Flex in the past, which is their glove, essentially kind of same idea, but for high levels of tone. But this one's really great because it's so low profile, people can really kind of wear it throughout the day. And it has the little grips on the fingertips, which I really appreciate because it kind of gives you the ability to use it during some functional tasks. Like even now I was kind of messing around with my laptop while using it. Obviously it's still going to be a little bit more bulky than not wearing one, but the little grips on the fingers and how low profile it is one of the things that I really like about it, because people can get in one and then can just start using their hand better the day that they put it on. The device that I pair with it a lot, also from Saebo, is the SaeboStim Pro. And if you haven't used this, little secret, this little T trigger button in the center is one of my favorite tools. Like that button specifically makes this one of my favorite tools. And what's great about it is you can just push the button and determine when you want the stim to set in a knot, which makes it great for task-specific training, especially when combined with a glove. One thing that I do often is put the stim pads on my flexors like I already did, and then have it set that whenever I push this trigger button, my hand will flex, and then when I release it, my hand will open back up. For people with low tone, this is really awesome because they can kind of control it themselves. You can hand them this, you can show them how to use it, you can give them a task like picking up a ball or just squeezing like a piece of foam, and they can really think about it, they can imagine it, they can visualize doing it, and then themselves can activate the device, help flex, hold on to that ball, and then when they click it off, the glove will help open their hand back up. This combo has been really one of the go-tos for me early on, and sometimes I'll even combine it with like the Saebo arm supports and kind of give people the ability to fully use their hand and kind of get some motivation. So if you're in the same boat as me and you're kind of struggling with those things, the Saebo Glove and the SaeboStim Pro are two awesome devices that I would recommend at least checking out or demoing, and you can check them out on the website.